In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to Instagram. Let us get started. First, you will want to open your favorite web browser and navigate over to LinkedIn by typing LinkedIn.com into the address bar. Once you are on the home page, you will need to log in. You have a couple of options here. You can either sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or you can use your email address and password. If you happen to have two-factor authentication enabled on your LinkedIn account, do not be surprised if you are prompted to verify your identity. You might receive a code sent to your phone, which you will need to enter to complete the login process. This extra step is a great way to keep your account secure, so take it in stride. Now that you are logged in, head over to the upper right corner of the page and click on your profile avatar. A drop-down menu will appear. Select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page, where all your posts and professional accomplishments are displayed. From here, scroll down until you see the section labeled Activity. Click on Show All Activity. Then navigate to the Posts tab where you will find all the posts you have previously shared on LinkedIn. Browse through until you find the specific post that you would like to share on Instagram. Once you have located the perfect post, you will need to capture it. You can take a screenshot of this post. If you are unsure how to do this, there are several tools available. A popular option is the snipping tool found on most computers. Alternatively, you could use a browser extension designed for taking screenshots, or simply press the print screen button on your keyboard, depending on your setup. Remember, you want this screenshot to be clear and visually appealing as it will soon be on a platform known for its aesthetics. After you have your screenshot ready, it is time to move over to Instagram. Whether you are using the mobile app or the web version, start by creating a new post. Select your recently captured screenshot from your device's photo library. Instagram will guide you through the process of adjusting the image and adding filters if desired. Take your time when crafting a caption. Be creative, and consider using relevant hashtags to boost the reach of your post. And there you have it. You have successfully shared a LinkedIn post on Instagram. You have not only saved time with minimal steps but also maximized your professional visibility across different social media platforms. So go ahead and experiment with sharing more of your LinkedIn content on Instagram.